In this exciting episode, I take a fall and Kareen gets lost while taking a hike while we explore the beautiful De Hoop Nature Reserve. Join us for all the fun.
We are heading into the Hoop Nature Reserve. We've been forced to detour a whole 20 kilometers away from the coast for tracks that's been closed for many years. The farmer laughed when he saw us trying to follow the coast, because I think many other people have tried. But so we've been forced to detour 22 kilometers away from the coast. But now we are heading back to the sea. Hopefully Kareen can stretch her legs and do a little bit of a hike or two. And we are still slowly being pushed away by the rain. We seem to be getting a rainy day, a sunny day, a rainy day, a sunny day. But it's great to be in the fynbos. The fynbos are looking fantastic. I've never seen flowers so early in the winter. I'm used to seeing them at the end of winter or at the beginning of spring. But far away we can now see the sand dunes again. You won't see that on the GoPro yet. But it is a lovely day back on the road on our beach safari. We even seen a blooming protea. The road has a few potholes and wet spots, and I think that's normal after the rain. But here we are at the Hoop Gate. So let's hope there is campsites available. And we must see that if we can use our wild card. Yeah. So here at the first reception, you only pay your entry fees, or if you have a wild card, use your wild card. And then there is a second reception where you sort out your accommodation. Down. Now we can nearly smell the sea. We are very surprised with the amount of game. It's like the opposite of Tenukeng. We expected a lot and we saw very little. Now here is a lot of antelope and ostriches and some birds and some, what's a tarantal in English? A pheasant.
Is it?
I think so. It's either pheasant or
something with
yeah.
it's only the restaurant and the reception. But the karakterplaas is like a farm thing.
Yeah.
Restaurant reception. Campsite is not.
So here we are at the second reception where you arrange your camping.
Campsite feels pretty nice on the looking out on the river. And we are number 3. Don't see the numbers. This is 3, this is us.
We quickly fell in love with the Hoop and the campsite at Hoop Nature Reserve. The first thing that caught our ears and eyes was the amazing variety of bird life all around the campsite. The call of the fish eagle could be heard through the day, and there was lots and lots of birds coming to visit, looking for leftovers and something to eat. The vibe was very relaxed, as we were the only one of 2 campers in the campsite, as it was
Camping
low
this time
season.
at the Whoop Nature Reserve, and Kareen is doing repairs. Our friend Adrian left our chair outside in the rain on his car, and the bag has perished, and we can't waste money. Traveling permanently means maintaining your resources and not wasting money. So
What broke?
the bag.
Louis' chair broke.
Oh yes, my chair that I use in the showers broke. So this is the.
So with every broken chair, there's a new opportunity.
So Kareen is gluing the old camping chair that was rotting away in the showers onto
canvas, yeah.
the bag of her chair,
Yeah.
which is over there.
Yeah. Louis said, why don't we just throw the bags away, which is maybe a point. But I think my camping chair will maybe last a little bit longer if we give it a little bit of love, a little bit more love.
I'm more worried that she's going to glue the inside of the bag to the other side. But we've put a plastic bag in.
Yeah.
So if she does that, she'll have a plastic bag on the outside.
Weatherproof as well,
Rainproof it.
waterproof.
Yeah. What's the funny marks?
Oh, this is the Nazca lines. No, this is where there's little holes in the bag.
Oh, okay.
So I just glued it there, and then I don't know if I really have to put glue on both sides, but
Yeah. Pressure is on.
it's on. Oh, this way. Oh, this way. Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
Tension is palatable.
Okay. If we just can align it, then we can design it. Okay. Ta-da! Yay!
As good as new.
Yay, bush baby. Okay, this is the inside though.
Yeah.
Okay. Leave it to dry.
I'm trying out my trail camera again. And this time I'm picking a footpath here in the Whoop Nature Reserve. There's a lot of poo everywhere, and Kareen suggested this as a possible good space for a trap. So I'm going to mount it over there so that it faces towards the path, and hopefully we will see tomorrow what we've caught on camera. Important to remember to switch it to the on mode, which I have forgotten in the past. Motion detection is the mode, and I'm gonna tie it up here. So now it should catch anything that moves over here.
And so ended our first day at the Whoop Nature Reserve with a lekker campfire and a slow roasted lamb on the bottom.
Just my hand. Oh, there's a quick view of a porcupine. I don't think my angle was right. It's a windy day for a walk, but I have to improve on my unfitness. So I'm taking on a little bit of a hike with Kareen before I will send her off on her own. She's moving a bit faster than me.
I'm doing the long walk at the Hoop Nature Reserve. This is 14 kilometers all along the river. Louis is accompanying me for the first kilometer or so. It is not the perfect weather conditions.
Yeah, no.
Very windy, big gusts, some rain on the horizon. But I'm prepared. I've got the rain jacket and water. Tiny tent, no, not a tiny tent, but anyway, hopefully there will only be a few drops. So this is the start of the walk. Nice wide road, beautiful view, just past the ostriches and zebras, antelope. Hopefully we will see more. Oops.
Half a kilometer in and Kareen was already in the mood for a snack. Her favorite
Only dry breakies.
Her favorite mid-morning snack.
There's a yellow one and an orange one for the long and the short walk. The short walk is 75 kilometers. The long walk is 40, and then there's also, this is the easy cycle. Then there's the cycle routes, blue and green. I want to do tomorrow. There is a bit of the coast. I think I said it's 27 kilometers, and the other one is very hard. And then you're doing the up and down. We'll see how stiff I am tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm going to turn around. Because the wind is I'm slowing her down. Bye, honey.
My driver is here. Here. These are quite hard, so I assume it's a type of a tortilla. But yeah, vegetation is starting to become lush. I'm 2 kilometers into my walk. In about 3 minutes, so maybe I'll beat the rain. Let's see. Oh, hello. Appreciate the fynbos here. It's so nice to see it. Just cool. Bit of sound, especially so today's yeah. I had to turn around because I saw a sign for my route far distance, not in this point to this point. I thought nothing of it. Maybe it's an old route, they changed it now. I just came across a sign for only blue cycles, so I I have to backtrack, which is also fine. Oh, here comes the sun. Because oh, look at this. This is also really pretty. I have to now change. Where are they? Here. Oh. Yeah, let me change now. So I have to say I ignored the sign, which was not next to the road, a few meters off from the road, and I thought maybe it was an old sign, but no, it wasn't. So just have to backtrack. Luckily, I've got my Strava app on, so in case I get lost, which I don't think will happen here, I can always just have a look at my route there as well. So looks like we're heading back home, and it looks like the 4 drops I have on is it. There is the road I should have taken. This way. So you see, I actually walked here. Here it is. The red one. I think because I'm doing the route in reverse, I would have come this way and then just walked straight out. But yeah, here is a clear sign that I am walking in the right direction. Thank you. Much better markings than at the cracks where it was a guessing game. Reached halfway. Let's see. I assume I'm going down to the water now, and then the route's going to be along the river, which is also going to be nice. Hang on. Walking it in the right direction because the arrows are saying I'm going must go this way, so they must just move their side in the middle of the road. Yeah, but I heard some fish eagles, so yeah, maybe I spot something. The wind has picked up. No drops since the last few that I've felt. Supposed to be extremely windy today. Gusts. We're facing the weather in pursuit of the hike. I am in a windless pocket. It's a bit of a little ditch. I can actually see what they did here. I am going in the right way. It's just a funny loop that we are making, but yeah. We are going down. It's actually nice to be out of the wind for a bit. I can hear birds chatter, and hopefully I will see a chameleon. But yeah, very difficult to find them. I've been lucky in the Kareen National Park, but then they normally cross the road, so I don't know if that counts. But it would be truly nice to see a chameleon. I'm just keeping my eyes open everywhere. So I'm watching you. Okay, wait. I'm going to record I think it's fish eagles.
We are hearing the weirdest bird calls. Every day there's a new one. Day in the wood, tired but happy, watching all the antelope relaxing. It was such a peaceful place, and as a last goodbye, the stars gave us a brilliant display as we fell asleep with the sound of the birds.
So it's bye-bye the wood. find the beach. Do you feel like swimming? So it's
You feel like swimming.
So 50 kilometers drive today. I think maybe 77.
It's maybe more, I think.
Is it? So we might be pushing our 100 kilometer daily limit today.
In our next
Now is
episode,
the time to stay calm. We think it's the brakes.
and Kareen finally gets up the courage to take her first swim.
That's a story for another time. Please head over to patreon.com/Fearless on 4 Wheels to subscribe and get these videos first and view them ad-free. Or like and subscribe this video to support our channel. Thank you for watching.